Thanks for inviting me. You're welcome, Kevin. Hi, Sally. Kevin, you're here. Huh? Mom, Kevin's here. That's great, honey. Look at all our Halloween decorations. Wow. Those are fake spiders. Oh, okay. Phew. Is that the time? Sally! Yes, Mom. Sorry, Kevin. We gotta go to the store to get more decorations. Okay. Sorry, Kevin. But... Mom! Yes? I forgot to say goodbye to Kevin. Okay, don't be too long. Sally, Kevin. The store's gonna be closing soon. Let's hurry. I'm back. Oh no! What's wrong, Sally? My parents left me. Oh no! Not again! We're here all by ourselves. Harry, look. It's that little boy again. On Halloween. I got an idea. What are we gonna do? I don't... Oh no! What? It's those guys again. They always come at my house when I'm home alone. Hello? Hello? Trick or treat? Run! Get in the house. Boo! Ah! Harry, what happened? Find those kids. Yeah. Spider! Not again. No! Get up. What? It's the rubber spider. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Boo! Ah! Run! Ah! We did it! Sally, I'm so sorry. We just got back from the store. We'll never leave you home alone again. Here's your new costume. Thank you. You're welcome. Sorry we did that. That's okay. Just don't do that ever again. We won't. Let's go trick-or-treating. Yay!